think bookkeeping is just numbers on a spreadsheet, think again. It's the lifeblood of your business, and without it, things can get scary like really fast. In this video, we're diving deep into 3 real-life bookkeeping horror stories that'll keep you up at night. Let's meet Mike. You all know him. He's a landscaper and he almost lost everything because he didn't know where his money was going. Then there's Lisa. Lisa scrambled last minute during tax season and unfortunately paid a heavy price. And lastly, you'll feel for James. He regrettably discovered a trusted employee was cleaning him out right from underneath his nose. Stick around because I'm going to show you how these nightmares could have been avoided with the right bookkeeping practices. I'm Adam Huntley, and I'm here to make sure your business doesn't become another cautionary tale. Mike, a hardworking landscaper, was killing it. His phone was ringing off the hook, his schedule was packed, and he was bringing in more money than ever. But there was a problem. Despite the booming business, Mike was always short on cash. He was constantly dipping into his savings, putting expenses on credit cards, and struggling to make ends meet. What Mike didn't realize was that while he was great at landscaping, he wasn't so great at tracking expenses. He'd underestimate material costs, forget about smaller expenses like gas and tolls, and his invoicing was, let's just say, relaxed. Months went by and the problem only got worse. Mike found himself on the verge of bankruptcy, drowning in debt and completely baffled about where all the money went. It was then he realized his lack of bookkeeping wasn't just an inconvenience, it was killing his business. If Mike had implemented a proper bookkeeping system from the start, tracked his expenses meticulously, and stayed on top of his invoicing, he could have avoided this whole mess. Don't wait until it's too late. Meet Lisa, a passionate entrepreneur who poured her heart and soul into her new bakery. She was so busy baking cakes and fulfilling orders that bookkeeping was the last thing on her mind. I'll deal with it during tax season, she thought. Big mistake. As the dreaded tax deadline loomed, Lisa found herself buried under a mountain of receipts, invoices, and bank statements. She had no idea what expenses were deductible, if she was even making a profit. And to top it off, she couldn't find half of the documents she needed. Panic set in. Lisa's last-minute scramble to organize her finances led to sleepless nights, missed deadlines, and ultimately hefty penalties from the IRS for inaccurate and incomplete records. The worst part? If Lisa had simply dedicated a little time each month to bookkeeping, she could have avoided the entire ordeal. Year-round bookkeeping not only keeps you prepared for tax season, but it also gives you a clear picture of your financial health, allowing you to make informed business decisions. Chapter 3, The Friendly Embezzler. James had built his small business from the ground up, and he trusted his employees, especially his longtime bookkeeper, Sarah. She was practically family, so he never saw it coming. What James didn't know was that Sarah had been siphoning off funds for months. A few dollars here, a fake invoice there, it all added up. Since James didn't have any financial oversight in place, and rarely, if ever, reconciled his accounts, Sarah's scheme went unnoticed. It wasn't until James' business took an unexpected downturn that he started digging into his finances. That's when he uncovered the shocking truth. Sarah had embezzled thousands of dollars. James was devastated, not just by the financial loss, but also by the betrayal. He realized too late that trusting someone implicitly without any financial checks and balances in place was a recipe for disaster. Regularly reviewing your books, separating financial duties and having an independent expert conduct periodic audits can prevent these situations and protect your business from internal theft. These stories might seem scary, but they highlight a crucial point. Bookkeeping is not just a chore, it's essential for your business's survival. These are real risks, but they don't have to be your story. At Aiming High Solutions, we specialize in helping businesses like yours take control of their finances. We'll handle the bookkeeping so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Schedule a free consultation today and let's work together to ensure your business thrives. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more small business tips. Remember, taking control of your finances is the first step to securing your business's future. At Aiming High Solutions, we're here to help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to go to aiminghighsolutions.com and follow us on social media for more small business tips. Together, let's aim high and ensure your business thrives.